Hello everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss about the law of supply. In our previous lecture, we have discussed that what is the difference between supply and stock. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that what is the difference between what is law of supply. Basically, law of supply, as we mentioned in our previous lectures, that before stating any law in economics, you must have to attach certain type of assumption. Without making assumption, you cannot predict any law in economics. So the first thing is that we are implementing certain type of assumptions by saying that keeping everything else constant, that there is no change anything which is attached to the this law. So keeping everything else constant, an increase in the price level causes an increase in the quantity supply, or a decrease in the price of a product causes a decrease in the quantity supply. So whenever price increases, supply increases, and when price decreases, supply decreases. So this is called law of supply. We can simply write it as when price increases, supply increases, and when price decreases, supply decreases. So they both are moving in same direction. We can write it as in a mathematical equation form. Let's say qs is equals to function of price. As we know that they both are moving in same direction, so it means there is a positive relationship between quantity, supply and price. So whenever price increases, supply increases. When price decreases, supply decreases. Now the question arises that why there is a direct or positive relationship between price and supply. Basically, when price increases, and this price is the revenue for the producers. So when price increases, revenue or profit for the producer increases, and in order to earn more profit, the producers are willing to more supply in the market so that they can earn more profit. So this increase in price level motivates the producer to supply more number of good in the market to earn more profit. So when price increases, more, so there will be more supply of that good in the market. And when price decreases, profit margin of the producer decreases, so they are now less willing to supply in the market. So there is a positive relationship between quantity, supply and price level. So we can also explain it with the help of a table. So we are making two column. In first column we are taking the price level, and in the second column we are taking quantity supply. So let's assume that first price is 5, then price goes to 10, then price goes to 15. As you can see that price is increasing, so definitely when price increases, supply also increases. So at rupees 5 there are 40 number of units that are being supplied in the market. At price 10 there are now, let's say, 60 units are in the market. At price 15 there are 90 units are available in the market for sale. So price is increasing, supply is also increasing. Now we can make a graph of these values. On y-axis we are taking price level, on x-axis we are taking quantity supply. So the first price is 5, the second price is 10, and the third price is 15. The first quantity supply is 40, second is 60, and the third one is 90. At rupees 5 there are 40 number of units available in the market for sale. So we just have to make a point here, 5 with 40. And at price 10 there are 60 number of units available in the market for sale. At price 15 there are 90 units available in the market for sale. So now we are just joining these graphs, these points, and it will give us supply curve as it is positive slope. So why the question, one question is again that why we are calling it as supply curve. We are calling it as supply curve because in this case supply is dependent variable. So in economics we always name the graph with its dependent variable. So in this case quantity supply is dependent variable and price is our IV or independent variable. So supply is dependent variable, so that's why we are call it as supply curve. So this is all for today lecture. And one thing more, we mentioned here, market supply. Basically market supply, the supply by all the firms of a given goods or services. So that is called market supply, and individual supply is that the supply which is being sent by the only one producer or the one firm in the market, that is called individual supply. And the market supply is the sum of supply that is sent by all firm of a given good or services in the market.